We all are.
There was
weed in the cupcakes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's better that way.
What?
We're lying, Brianne. We're lying. She's gonna have a panic attack.
There's not really weed in the cupcakes.
There's no shit.
Do not put it on Facebook. Oh my god, don't do it. Well, turn. Weed cupcake. Turn. What is in your hand?
Nothing.
A cupcake. What do you mean?
Tripping balls. Fucking where'd that cupcake go? Still looks like you're holding it.
I think we should all know how to exit this place. It makes you finish. Not real life.
It's not real life.
It's not real life. Just swim upstream. Did you see me in here? I was laying on the table. And I was going, I might be in there. No. Be like Nemo.
I'm sorry, Nick. I have no idea.
Yes, you do. Your eyes.
You know exactly what's
You
going
know,
on.
you should there's something. Did you throw a napkin at me? Ew. A used napkin? A used pick that shit up.
I did.
I'm crying. Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's play Disney Apples to Apples.
Oh my goodness.
Let's
I'm
do
so
it.
sorry.
Let's do it. Are you playing, Brianne? Oh.